Hi guys, and welcome to the Marriott Surf Club. We are staying in a 1-bedroom garden view. We're going to give you a quick room tour and show you around. As soon as you walk in, we have the full kitchen here. Comes with a double sink, dishwasher, fridge and freezer, stove, oven, microwave, coffee maker, toaster, blender, utensils, plates, cups, everything you need to stay here. And then off to the kitchen here on the side is the full washer and dryer. Does come here with some complimentary detergent, but we always encourage everyone to bring their own. You have an ironing board and an iron there on the right, a broom and a dustpan on the left. And as soon as you walk in, you are greeted by a table. This is a great little spot to just come and throw your chair tag, keys, your room keys, sunglasses, anything that, you know, kind of just in your pockets you want to just kind of offload. Then off to the side of the kitchen is the island setup. It does have bar stools here where you can plop your little ones down and serve them breakfast. But it also does come with a 6-person dining room table. Fantastic if you are deciding to eat in the room. You do have a door here for the lock-off unit if this were to be converted to a 2-bedroom. But walking here into the living room, you have the pull-out couch. This right here will open up into a full queen-size couch. You just need to slide the chairs off to the side a little bit and you are good to go. And then you have here a 50-60-inch TV. Looks like an upgrade from the last time we were here, with space to store some clothes, which is fantastic. Let's head on into the bedroom. And then here in the bedroom, you do have a king-size bed with 2 end tables. Each end table lamp has plug-ins for both just an electrical plug and then also the switch to turn it on and off. And then here on this side, you have the alarm clock. This has 2 plugs and 2 USBs. And then you have a upgrade here on the television as well with 3 drawers and some shelving there. Each end table does come with 2 drawers for storage as well, so that's something to keep in mind when you're traveling with a large family. And then here on the side is the closet. We have an ample size safe, large enough for a laptop, tons of hangers, tons of space, laundry basket, some extra blankets and sheets for the pull-out couch. And it is open to the first half of the bathroom. We do have the soaking tub here off to the side. And then here on the right is one of 2 sinks, again with ample storage. And we do have some plugs here to the side. And then walking into the bathroom, I do want to point out that you do have access to the bathroom from the front entrance where you come into the room. But here you have another sink, you have the toilet and a stand-up shower. I am 5'11", ample storage here, and then it does come with the drying rack string where you can come and hang some towels and clothes. And my favorite part of the room is the view. We are here in Spyglass Tower, where we have a fantastic view of the pool and the lazy river and the splash pad and the large pool with the swim-up bar. We are on the 6th floor and plenty of chairs available. This is currently Thanksgiving week, so it is expected to be a busy week. Upon check-in, we were notified that it was at 99% capacity. So if there is a specific room like this one that you're looking to book, you definitely want to book that in advance. But yeah, this is the Marriott Surf Club. thank you so much for following along. If you are new to the channel, please do not hesitate to drop the like and subscribe button below. Don't forget to click on that. And if you are interested in staying here, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley on Facebook. And thank you so much for following along.